So last week we learned this movement in Kuan Yin standing, number 1, which is like this. Right? Boat traveling through a stream of air. And as we're practicing this, think about the energy gateways and the dantian. So I'm moving energy from the dantian. I'm gathering energy through the lagong, and I'm bringing that energy back down to the dantian. So it's moving, like it's kind of a circular kind of energy. So every movement of Qigong, of the Shenzhen Qigong, is our mind should be on the movement of the energy. And like I said last week, if I go like this, you know, that's kind of the same movement, right? But that's exercise. That's just me moving my physical body. And how different that is from But as people noticed last week, we get kind of heated up doing this as well, even though it's so slow. But we're moving energy, no doubt about it. So we've done boat rowing through a stream of air, and we stop. And you do that as many times as you want. And what we teach is, you're going to get out of your head and put your mind into the movement of the qi. So keep your mind here and here, and so you're starting to move the qi with your mind, right? And then the more you practice, you'll find the qi is moving your mind. The qi is telling you how many repetitions to do. You're going to do it until the qi says, oh, okay, that's enough. And then when you stop this movement, you just go like this, very gently coming back. Yeah. Everybody do this. So imagine we've been doing this, and you've been doing it, and you feel like, okay, that's enough. And then you just start very gently bringing it, because you're settling the qi back into the dantian, your storehouse. You want to settle the qi. You can't be rocking all over the place all the time. So settle it, and then you stand like this. And everybody just stand for a moment and pay attention to your own qi. Close your eyes. And just notice how you feel. How your qi feels. Are you refreshing your qi? Is there greater circulation of qi? Yeah. So just pay attention to your own movement. So that's the transition between the last movement and the next one. Is just kind of, oh, okay, just settling into myself and letting everything relax. Okay. And then when you feel ready, it's movement number 3, which is praying to heaven to show the way. And I'll do it sideways. And you're just standing very relaxed, knees just slightly relaxed, like not locked, just relaxed. Natural, Master Lee says. And then your hands come up and they join kind of up in front of your heart. Okay, so you just go. Touch your forehead and bend backwards. And then go back as far as feels okay for you. Praying to heaven to show the way. And straighten. And then your hands come straight down. And you keep your fingertips together until they separate here. Okay, one more time, praying to heaven to show the way. And don't worry about how far back you bend, it doesn't matter. Just do what feels right to you.